LCB to receive over £919,000 in government funding for renovations. Like, comment and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. Leeds College of Building, LCB, is one of 18 institutions across Yorkshire and the Humber selected to receive government funding for essential estate improvements. LCB has been allocated £919,871 from the FE College Condition Allocation (FECA) fund for the upcoming academic year. The college will use the funds to renovate a newly acquired 5,000 metre squared site on Melbourne Street, increasing the total size of the LCB estate by 1/3. This new facility is situated adjacent to the existing North Street campus, marking a major milestone for the college's future growth. LCB was recently named one of only 10 Construction Technical Excellence Colleges (CTEC) in England for 2025-2026. The new site will support the CTEC mission to train 40,000 more people in high-demand trades by 2029 to address national construction gaps. The National FECA Fund was boosted by £5 million this year, providing colleges with a reliable annual budget for long-term maintenance. This allocation is part of a wider £1.7 billion government investment aimed at modernising college buildings across the UK by 2030. Rob Holmes, LCB Vice Principal, said, "This investment is key to creating a specialist training environment in priority areas such as infrastructure, sustainability and groundwork." The Right Honourable Baroness Jackie Smith, Minister of State for Skills, said, "The young people in these colleges are the engineers, bricklayers and designers of the future, and they, and the dedicated staff teaching them, deserve the best possible environment to learn and succeed." Smith added, "This £30 million investment will repair and modernise facilities across all 18 colleges in Yorkshire and the Humber, giving young people the spaces they need to build the skills they need for good careers, helping to drive economic growth." To learn more, read the full article in our Products and Projects category. Read more at TWinFM.com.